Hello again and welcome to another video. This time we're going to look at Google Data Studio and some of the possibilities with that. Okay, so I made a couple of demo dashboards just to give us an idea of what's possible. The first one is an e-commerce demo, and we also have an ad spend demo dashboard. So I'll just give you a quick glance at what we're going to be looking at. All right, so everything looks pretty easy to figure out. This is pulled from Google demo data. I can't, put client data on display, but this gives you a good idea of what you can use this for with e-commerce. So I've got my cost per conversion here. This is all being fed from Google Analytics, my cost per transaction, and my product revenue per purchase, my e-commerce conversion rate. Now, these are all set. These figures, how these are being collected, are all set in analytics and being fed directly into Data Studio. I'll show you how you can alter and do some interesting things with data within Google Data Studio also. But anyway, so here's a funnel, and this is really powerful. So this shows you your engaged users. This funnel is for, you can create any kind of funnel, but this funnel, we've got our engaged users, how many users entered the checkout, how many users registered, and how many purchases were completed. Now, how this can be really useful in practice is, say the funnel looks pretty normal here, looks pretty normal here, and then it gets really, really thin at registrations. Like say it got down to 5% and then went down to 2% when we got to purchases. Well, when there was a really drastic change from one step of the funnel to another, I can see where the funnel's breaking or where a bottleneck is developing, where people are falling out of my funnel and not making it to this last step. So this can be really powerful in practice, and I've seen it be very powerful. It might be one page in your funnel or something like that, or one step you're having them do, and then you find out, you tweak that and you can get those purchases up. So the other things you see on here, purchase completed, and this is segmented by age. So with this case, I would know that 25 to 34, 18 to 24 are good for me. And then it starts going down, as you can see. And this shows what regions are purchasing from us and visiting our store. So all this is very useful. What's also really fun is, so the date of the video, the date that I'm recording this is February 19th, 2021. When I load this, it's going to show me today's date. So this report is live. And I can go in here and I can switch things around anytime I want. So this is really impressive for clients. Gives them a really good view of what's going on, what kind of results they're getting. And again, it's just impressive and fun because you can actually play around with it. So on the other example I wanted to show you, this is the ad spend dashboard demonstration. So this I'm actually pulling from Google Sheets, and I just used some randomized data so it doesn't look very good right now. But I used some randomized data to give us an example here. So what you see here, we got our total ad spend, our total leads. That's being fed in from the information from Google Sheets. Right here, the overall CPL, I'm actually calculating that within Data Studio, and I'll show you real quick how that's done. So, move this. And, okay, so I want to look at overall CPL. So in here, I've just got the sum of the total ad spend and the sum of the total leads, and I'm dividing those to get the overall CPL. So as you can see, again, there's a lot of potential of what you could do here. Down here, I'm comparing the Facebook cost per lead to the AdWords cost per lead. And we've got everything laid out in bar charts. We can really see how our ad spend's doing. It's been going down. We could see how it is against last period. And this, I've only got information through October, as is said right there. But I can still, if this were live, this would be being updated And let me see. And as you can see, also, this would be just updated for your clients. So these are really, really powerful. And if you have any questions about how to put these together, or if you need these put together for your clients, feel free to reach out, David@artemisads.com. And I will be back next week with more tips.